Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Are you a shoe lover too?
I've found a great solution for keeping my shoes from slipping. These anti-slip shoe grips by Dr. Shoesert. They are made of such strong silica gel. I love that they're easy to apply. You just pull off the backing and center on the sole of your shoes. And it's just that easy. These are size 9 and 8 shoes and they fit perfectly. This shoe is super slippery, but now not anymore. And these cork type soles were worn smooth, but they're anti slip now. I'm excited that they come in four different color options. I got the cream and black, and notice how flexible they are. So they're good for all different types of soles, and the pattern's pretty neat too. I love it. Now I can wear these shoes and not worry about slipping.
I love these because they help me love my shoes longer. And that's my point of view.